I uploaded this video to YouTube 12 months to the day that the fire arrived at our place, having passed through the adjoining timbered country to the northwest. This is a record of what that country was like before the fire, soon after, and 10 months into recovery. This first segment is what it was like for 37 years prior to the fire. Heavily timbered, predominantly with blue gum and silvertop ash. Very little understory, mainly ferns and some small shrubs, and sparsely grassed, except for the wetter gullies, of course. Initially, the fire left the forest floor bare, later anointing it with a layer of scorched leaves. A week or so after the fire, it rained, heavily, causing soil erosion and siltation of the local watercourses. But this was followed by magic. The seeds of a whole range of fire-responsive ephemeral plants have germinated and have populated the forest floor and now afford it protection. The bird call at the end is of the superb lyrebird, many of whom somehow survived the fire and are hopefully enjoying the recovery.